no gold is not enough.
Hello, in this video, this is a short quick tutorial on how to write a Dockerfile for your project. So first of all, you need to create a Dockerfile inside your folder like I have right now here. This is my test board that I used to try on Discord bot that I used to try. It's simple, just say username and it will say hi there message. But if you need a Docker file for like Node.js project and Python project, you need to start with something like call from base. This is the base image, and as we are inside a Node.js project, this is a Node.js folder. This Docker file is for Docker file for Node.js. So this is a Docker file for Node.js. So first the Docker file starts from first layer of command will be from. This will set the base image to use for subsequent instructions. Like what these instruction will do. This is what tells us what platform you will use, like Python, Node, Java. So we are using a Node. So this is the Node, and this is the version of Node. Let me show you. Node version. This is 14.16. So this is the version you have to write here. Only first like only v14 is okay. So then you run a command, execute any command on top of current image as new layer. So and one more thing, these commands work in a form of layer 1. Okay, yes, layer 1 like these, working layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5, layer 6, layer 7. So that's how these commands work. So then we will make a directory inside with this URL or whatever you want. You can specify a directory. That your directory will be created. So next is the working directory command. This will set the working directory of any subsequent add copy command, entry point or run instruction that follow in the Docker file. So this file will set this as the base, just like we do it here, like cd Node.js. This will move this will move to the Node.js command file. So that's how this make directory and working directory are used. So copy, and this will copy our like this file inside our working directory, package.json file into our working directory. This star means that whatever is the files they will be copied to the working directory. And then copy, so it will copy all our files to that directory, and then we will say npm install. This will install all the dependencies that our application has, and then we will say a command that will be for node, like node index.js. That will be our start script, and you can say that's it. So this is a JSON format. This is JSON format, like an array of JSON format for like node index.js. That's how you write a Docker file for Node.js app. And for Python, that's how you write a Python, how to write Docker file for Python. Let's see. So first of all, we have to set our base image to Python, just like we did in Node.js app, and run a directory, copy. Then this is our requirements.txt. It contains all the dependencies like what we need for that project. It will copy the file from this folder to this folder, and then run pip install our requirements. It will install all the dependencies that those are in the requirement.txt file, and then this will copy our image to the working directory, then command folder. Then this will run our command, just like we did in node python 3m flask run host. Okay, that's how you write a Docker file for Node.js and Python. Let me know if you comment down if you face any problem. I'll try to help. And do subscribe to the channel. It's a new one, so help me grow out. Thank you. Like, subscribe, like, share, and subscribe.